Today, we are touring this brand new house located in prime and exclusive subdivision in Comunal Buhangin, Davao City. Tara, let's check. This house has a 184 square meters lot area and kaning area natay small lanay diri you have your two carport here and on this space sa ground floor pwede siya nimo buhaton na office space and you have also your common toilet and bath. And these stairs will lead you to your dirty kitchen or your laundry area at the back of the property. The floor area of this property is 266 square meters. Tara, let's check. So upon entering the property, you have your spacious living area here. And adjacent to it is your dining area. And you have your bar counter here, which can be your breakfast nook also. And kani is your kitchen. Complete na siya, complete fixtures, lutuan, and even the range hood appeal na siya. And at the back of the property, you have your door here that will lead you to your dirty kitchen or laundry area. Before we go upstairs, let me show you this room on this floor with its own shared toilet and bath. Tara, let's check the second floor. So on the second floor, naantay tulo ka room diri and ang pagsaka nimo sa imong left side, naa siya shared the toilet and bath. And the first room on the second floor is your master's bedroom or the primary room. You have your sliding door here and it will lead you to your beautiful view with this balcony. So you can check this one. Also, you have your cabinetry and wardrobe here and it comes with its own toilet and bath. And ang toilet and bath niya, grabe ka spacious. No? So you can put your glass enclosure here sa imong shower. That's optional if you want. Let's check the second room on the second floor. So this room can accommodate double or queen size bed, and all rooms, by the way, naana po siya air conditioning. For the third room of this property, this one is a lot bigger compared to the second room on the second floor, and this can accommodate queen or king size bed actually, and with its own sockets na sa gilid.